Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and today I will be reviewing for you this set of chrome mirror powders that come with a package of their own sponge applicators. There's 50 sponge applicators in here, but these are sold, I know they are, as you can see, they are Born Pretty brand, and there's 3 different colors in the set. A silver, a champagne, and a gold. But these are sold by, the seller is called CoulorButtons. They are on Amazon, so I will have the link down in the description bar below for you guys, so you can go check them out. And I will show you here, you will see how these are all individually sealed. So I am going to test each one of these over different colors, the same colors. I will have them over green and pink, black and white, red and purple. So all 3 of them, I will test them over all 6 of those colors. So I will leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, I went ahead and ended up doing 2 coats of the colors, 2 layers of the powders, over the colors for best results. I felt it really needed that second coat. And here they all are. This first one you're looking at is the champagne color. And this is the gold. And the best way to tell the champagne from the silver is putting them side by side on the ones that are over the black. It's the most obvious, and this is the silver. But absolutely beautiful. Wait until you see them on the outside shots. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank CoulorButtons for sending me these beautiful powders to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.